At exactly 8:17 a.m., nothing seems out of the ordinary.
Millions of people are already on their way to work. Children laugh as they walk toward school. Airliners quietly cross the sky above them.
Cargo ships continue their endless journeys across the oceans. Farmers begin another ordinary day in the fields. Across the planet, life follows its familiar rhythm. No one notices the incredible speed beneath their feet. Every person is moving through space at extraordinary speed, yet to every one of us, the ground feels perfectly still. Beneath every city, the Earth has never stopped turning. At the equator, the planet spins at nearly 1,670 kilometers per hour. We never feel that incredible speed because everything around us is moving together. The air, the oceans, even the atmosphere moves with the planet. It has done so for billions of years. We trust that tomorrow will be just like today.
But at exactly 8, 17, and 12 seconds, everything changes.
For the first time in Earth's history, the impossible happens. Earth's rotation suddenly comes to a complete stop, but the surface doesn't stop with it. Everything not anchored to the planet keeps moving east. The speed is beyond anything humans have ever experienced. At the equator, that speed is nearly 1,670 kilometers per hour,
Faster than the speed of sound.
The atmosphere keeps racing around the motionless planet. Global winds become unimaginably violent.
And the first second has only just begun.
In less than a heartbeat, the world becomes unrecognizable. Cars lose traction and slide across the pavement. Trucks overturn under unstoppable momentum. Trains are thrown from their tracks. Bridges begin to tear themselves apart. Glass explodes from the sides of skyscrapers. Streets disappear beneath clouds of dust and debris. Power lines snap across entire neighborhoods. Cities are plunged into darkness.
And this is only the first second.
Thousands of flights are still in the air. Pilots suddenly face conditions no simulator has ever imagined. Hurricane-force winds slam into aircraft across the globe. Some aircraft are pushed far beyond their design limits. Meanwhile, the oceans refuse to stay where they belong. Water continues moving with incredible momentum. Coastlines brace for an unimaginable impact. Tsunami waves rise higher than skyscrapers. Entire harbors disappear beneath the sea.
And the disaster is only gathering strength.
From space, Earth no longer looks familiar. The atmosphere continues moving at incredible speed. Winds reshape entire landscapes. Sandstorms race across the world's deserts. Dense forests bend beneath relentless gusts.
Mountains echo with the force of the storm.
Across the oceans, waves continue their unstoppable journey. Coastlines are permanently transformed. From orbit, the scars are impossible to ignore.
And only 1 second has passed.
2 seconds remain. Across the world, confusion turns into fear. Emergency broadcasts struggle to reach the public. Many communication networks have already failed. Satellites continue watching from orbit. They reveal a disaster unfolding on every continent. There is no unaffected nation. Rescue teams move despite overwhelming danger.
Every second saves another life.
But Earth still hasn't finished. 3 seconds remain. The violence shows no sign of slowing. Across the oceans, the water is still moving. The atmosphere continues racing around the motionless planet. Dust begins to hide entire cities from view. Daylight struggles to reach the ground. From orbit, the planet looks almost unrecognizable. Scientists can only watch the disaster unfold. No technology can stop what physics has already set in motion. And 2 more seconds still remain. Only 2 seconds remain. The atmosphere continues its relentless motion.
Entire regions vanish beneath towering dust clouds.
Coastlines have been permanently reshaped. Rivers carve new paths across the land. Wildfires ignite where broken power lines meet dry forests. Smoke joins the dust already filling the sky. Day begins to resemble twilight. Around the world, survival has become the only priority, but the longest second is still ahead.
Only 1 second remains.
The planet hangs in an impossible silence. Every moment feels far longer than a single second. Survivors wait for something, anything, to change. No one knows whether the planet will ever move again. Then,
Earth begins to rotate again.
but physics refuses to erase the damage. 5 seconds have changed the course of history forever.
And humanity will never forget them.
But why was the destruction so extreme? The answer is a law of physics called inertia. Objects in motion tend to keep moving, unless an external force stops them. For billions of years, everything on Earth has shared the planet's rotation. That includes the oceans, the atmosphere.
Even every person standing on the ground.
When the planet stopped, their momentum did not. And that single fact changed everything. Earth's rotation does far more than create day and night. It helps regulate the planet's climate. It shapes global wind patterns. It guides powerful ocean currents. Those currents help distribute heat around the world. Without them, many regions would become far more extreme. Earth's rotation also influences the paths of storms. Even the weather you experience today depends on it. Every sunrise is made possible by our planet's steady rotation. Every ordinary morning is a reminder that Earth is still turning. Fortunately, this story is only a scientific thought experiment. There is no evidence that Earth could suddenly stop spinning. Yet imagining the impossible teaches us something extraordinary. Our world depends on countless invisible forces. Most of them work so perfectly that we never notice them. Every sunrise is a quiet promise that our planet keeps turning. Every sunset marks another successful rotation. Every new day begins because Earth never stops moving. Sometimes the most ordinary things are the greatest miracles, because every second our planet quietly keeps life in motion. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed exploring impossible questions through real science, subscribe to Fabian and join us for the next journey.